Junior Civil Judge Examination Screening Test 2019 paper. According to Section 2B of CRPC 1973, charge includes any head-up charge when the charge contains more heads than one. 2. As per the Amendment Act 2008 of CRPC, the new definition that was inserted under Section 2 WA is victim. 3. The examination of a witness by the adverse party is dash. Cross-examination. 4. Facts not otherwise relevant are relevant if by themselves or in connection with other facts they make the existence of any fact in issue or relevant fact highly probable or improbable is relevant under which section? Section 11 of Indian Evidence Act. State the correct sequence of stages in civil proceedings. The answer is pleadings, issues, trial arguments, judgment, decree. During the pendency of a suit relating to a house, the defendant is about to leave the local limits of the court with an intention to delay the suit. The plaintiff files an application under Order 38 Rule 1 for the arrest of the defendant. Now the defendant dash cannot be arrested. 7. When the immobile property of one person is, by the act of parties or operation of law, made security for the payment of money to another, such a transaction is called, answer is charge. 8. A gift made in expectation of death is known as dash. Donatio mortis causa. 9. A contract to do or not to do something if some event collateral to such contract does not happen is known as, answer is contingent contract. 10. An agreement where the parties express opposite views regarding an uncertain event and which results into a gain to one person at the loss of another person is known as, answer is wagering agreement. 11. When an instrument in writing does not express the real intention of the parties due to fraud or mutual mistake of the parties, a suit can be instituted for, answer, rectification of instrument. 12. What is the time limit to institute a suit for recovery of the property on the basis of dispossession under the provisions of CPC when the plaintiff was disposed of a house by the defendant? The answer is, in a suit for recovery of possession, there is no provision under CPC, but Section 6 of Specific Relief Act deals with it. As per that section, 6 months from the date of dispossession is the limit. The involvement of 5 or more persons is essential for the offence of, the answer is dacoity. 14. 3 persons A, B and C went to a bank. A stood outside the bank holding a revolver with him and watching at the road. B and C entered the bank and asked the cashier by showing revolvers at him to hand over the cash to them. On the refusal, refusal to do so, she shot at the cashier and took away money from counter. Now, what is their offense? A, B, and C are liable for murder. 15. Sans recourse endorsement means the endorsement without liability. What is the punishment under section 138 of NI Act? The answer is imprisonment up to 2 years or with fine which may extend to twice the amount of check or with both. 17. The limitation period for enforcement of a perpetual injunction is in general for decrease 12 years as per 136 of Limitation Act article, but in perpetual injunction there is no such limit.